Hey guys, welcome back. Um, this will be quick. I forgot to say something in the last video. So, by the way, if you're like, hey, that can't happen, or that can't happen, well, it's a different universe. So, just think that. So yeah, it can happen in this universe. So, yeah, it's not going to be exactly like it would be if you're like, hey, that can't happen, or anything. So yeah. Enjoy. Let's go. What? This is not what I thought. Wait. What is this? This is so weird. Hello? Hello? What the? Come on. Alright. Web! Oh, web. Come on. Dang it. Ooh! Sorry. Oh, jeez. Yeah, this is over here. That. Okay. Oh, jeez. What the heck? I don't have power to break. Ooh. You know, don't take this personal. That was a complete accident. To be fair, you guys are trying to kill me. No, you guys haven't seen Lifeline. It's really weird. Ooh. Oh, yes. Uh, oh, yes. Holy crap. What the heck? Sorry. Oh, here, you can have it. Keep this. Hey, how did you get my old suit? What do you mean? I didn't take your suit. How do I know you're not lying to me? Probably because you can sense my spidey sense. Fair point. Fair point. That's true. It's true. Yeah, see? Now you know what I mean. I didn't steal it. Wait, why am I here again? weird. Is there anybody here? Oh, I have brought you here because I could sense some force in you. Maybe you can become a great Jedi. But I'm going to need to train you. Now, you are going to need a Jedi robe and stuff like I do. And begin your training. This is a different universe. There are many of these places, and this one, nobody has discovered yet. So, no one is here. Okay, well, I guess we could start our training, because I really don't know how to get out of here or anything, so, okay. And for the Jedi robes, this suit I don't think is gonna fit. So I guess I'll have to go into my old suit. You are now ready now. I will be sending you on your way to go fight the Sith. So, and I don't know how you have mastered becoming a Jedi in just 1 month, but you have. So, see ya, young Padawan. Alrighty, let's see. My new type of lightsaber. Whoa. Alright. What is this place? Not the place I was trying to get to. There's no pilot. What? Oh, yes! Is it the Death Star? Let's go! I finally got here. Yes!